Assalamu alaikum parents. My name is Svati and I am from Lakas Upper Mall campus. Today I am going to guide you how you are going to install Zoom software into your computer system for the online classes of your children. First of all, you are going to open Google Chrome and type over here Zoom. The link will come. Just simply click on the download button and the next page, this is the next page which we are going to see. The first software, there are so many software on this page, but you are going to download the first one, which is Zoom client for meetings. Click on the download button and software starts downloading. So after the downloading, we are going to open the installer and we are going to install the software into our computer system. So it will take only hardly 1 or 2 minutes to download the file, but it depends on the internet speed which you are using. So here is the software and it's downloaded into our computer system. After downloading the software, I'm going to click on the software and it start installing the software into my computer. So this is the Zoom installer. It will ask for the permission, so you are going to click on the yes button and after that it's going to start installation. So after the installation, the Zoom software will open. So there are two ways through which you can sign in into the Zoom software. First one is this, you can see over here sign in button or sign up. If you want to sign up, if you have an account on the Zoom, so you can sign in, or if you don't have an account on the Zoom, then you are going to click on the sign up button. So here is the software. So after installation of the software, we will give you a meeting code before the class and you are going to click on the meeting code and then you can join the meeting. Or if you want to sign in, so you can sign in from here. Click on the sign in option and then click. You are going to see over here so many options. So first one is sign in with the email and password, and the other options are sign in with the SSO, sign in with Google, sign in with Facebook. So we all have an account on the Google, so the best option to sign in is Google. So you are going to choose this one option for sign in into the Zoom software. Click on this, so it will open the Internet Explorer. So after opening the Internet Explorer, you are going to click over here and then you are going to give your password. You write down your email and then you are going to give password of your email account and click on the next button. So Zoom software is through this method, Zoom software is automatically connected with your Gmail account. So after this is the verification method. For verification, please confirm your date of birth. Okay students, so your date of birth is whatever your date of birth is. So over here, if you are going to enter a date of birth less than 18 years, so it will not allow you to sign in. So always choose more than 18 years, means I'm going to choose the first month, the first it's not going to store into the our database. So this date is just for the confirmation of the confirmation that you are more than 18 years old. So choose from here January 1st and 2000. So you can choose this date and continue, so then it will allow you to go with your email account. Why? Because whenever we are going to create an email account, if we are not older than 18 years, so we cannot our Gmail services not allowed us to create an email account. Same is the case with the Zoom. If you are younger, then it's not allowed. After that, you are going to see this pop-up window, and then you are going to click on the open Zoom meetings. So now you are signing into the Zoom software, and there are 4 options over here through which you can connect. So we will provide you a code, meeting code or meeting link, and you are going to join the meeting from here. Click on the join button. Now type the meeting ID over here, then your name over here, and then click on the join button, so you can join your class through this method. So parents, this is the method through which you can install the Zoom software into the computer system. Still you have any confusion, you can ask or you can text into our WhatsApp groups. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.